Okay, I'm going to make another set of tutorials now based on more Ajax and jQuery and Windows Communication Foundations. The tutorials, they're already up on my blog page, but I'm just going to make up to the ones that I've done so far. So that'll be creating the discount page. Basically, yeah, the discount page, you'll be able to put on items for sale and change their price and so, give them 15% discount and so forth. It'll calculate how much of the discount and everything, but more of that later. But yeah, to start off, we've actually got to change the database. I've started changing it just to save time. I've done the user and the order. Basically, we'll make it look like that. If you go down here, basically in varchar and all that, this is what will be created, the SQL like it was before. Use this as a, well, basically a reference guide to what the types need to be. I might not make a tutorial just you just sitting there watching me do this because I think that'd be a bit boring. So I've done two, and I'll quickly go and do the rest. But yeah, so anyway, we'll get started. And product. Okay, I've done order and I've done user. I had to get rid of some things in order and user. In product, I'm going to have to get rid of a few things in the other picture. I'll try and make it as exact to the other picture as what I can. Okay, so product. So product's in here. So ID, name, details, price, and sale. ID, name. Get rid of the details is okay. Score we're going to get rid of. Amount voted we're going to get rid of, and I think it's just adding one in. So name, details, price, and sale. Name, details, price, and sale. So that insert, and sale. This will be for the discounts that I was just saying. And this is going to be, it's going to be nullable. If you go here, just for future reference, if you want to set it up, see, where's the products? Here it is. Okay, not null. So it's going to have 0 as a default. And one more thing is down the bottom here that you need to write down. You need to give the scale value 2 in price, unit cost, and subtotal. So we go back here and scale. Sorry. So we're setting it to decimal. Decimal. And scale is 2. Okay, so there we go. So scale is 2. That's it. And product image. Okay. Show another entity. Product image ID. Products image. And now insert. And the next one is the product ID. So that's the product ID. Okay. And now we have just, this one's going to be a, I think it's a foreign key, but I'll just, okay, so that's it. And then finally the file name. And this is going to be a, if it works, file name. this isn't actually the directory, I don't think. This is just, oh, well, yeah, it is the directory, sort of. It's just the file name. The directory gets put in dynamically. So there you go. And the entity name is product image, I think. Product image, yep. Okay. Okay. So that's that one. And then we have another entity over here, which is the reviews, I think. Yeah. It's review ID. Review ID? No. Oh, sorry. It's product ID and user ID. Okay. And this will be an entity as well. Okay, so they're sort of, that's a foreign key in essence. Comment. And rating. Rating. Okay. So comment will be string and the rating will be a decimal. Goes down here, we will have a decimal. There we are, decimal. Okay. Now, there's only one more entity that we need to worry about, and that is, I think, order detail. Okay. 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 Now, order ID and product ID. Okay, now, set product name quantity. To unit cost and subtotal. Okay, now, these need to be decimal. Decimal and scale is 2. Decimal and scale is 2. Because they're money, obviously. Quantity, this needs to be an int, I think. 32. Product name, product ID. No. 32. Product ID, it was an int 32. Just go back and change these to being int 32s. Okay. Okay. I think that's sort of what you need to do. Just from here, go save this here. Okay, and generate database from model. Okay. just click finish on this. And then click yeah, because you're redoing it. Yes, you don't want to do that. Okay. Right now, I want you to just go and check that this is what you have. Sort of doing that in your own time. I'm assuming if you follow me, you might have the same problems as I do, but I'm not going to make you sit here and watch that I've got all the things right. Just a quick glance, and I think I'm right. Hang on. Primary key constraints. Yeah, I think what I've done is right. So I'm just going to execute this, and hopefully just click next, and fingers crossed everything's fine. And then yeah. So tables. Okay, order details. Yeah. So I think everything's sort of worked out. Saying yeah, look, I think everything's fine. They're saying let's have a few complaints there, but yeah, basically I think it's fine. But just go through your code and check that you have the same SQL thing, and I'll see you next time for the next tutorial. And for that, what we'll be doing is we'll actually be getting into Ajax. So once you've done this, you can just go down here, new a post, and we'll be talking about redoing the create products page. So have that open, and we'll change it. Yeah, okay. I'll see you then.